Hey everyone, Black Shark 8, which attracted notice for its flawless balance of price, features, and quality, was replaced by the Blackview Shark 9. At the time of its release, the Black Shark 8 was a remarkable low-cost model, raising hopes for its replacement. The question now is, does the Blackview Shark 9 live up to the notoriety of its predecessor? To compare, let's test this recent release. The Shark 9 has a sleek, simple appearance and is offered in blue and black. Its delicate wave pattern on the textured back lends a touch of refinement. Even though the phone is inexpensive, it feels well made. It weighs 200 grams and is only 8.6 millimeters thick. Right out of the box, it comes with a full suite of accessories, including a silicone case, protective glass, a USB Type-C cable, an 18-watt power adapter, and a SIM ejector tool. However, compared to the previous model, the display represents a step back. The Shark 9 has a 6.67-inch HD screen running at 90 Hz, whereas the Shark 8 had a full HD display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Although it is adequate for everyday usage, the resolution of 1604 by 720 pixels may disappoint enthusiasts who were hoping for the crisper images of its predecessor. Even with this decrease, the display is still a good screen for daily chores because it has quick touch sensitivity, wide viewing angles, and brilliant colors. The Blackview Shark 9's internal components include Unisoc T820 CPU, a low-end chipset that supports 5G. It has a respectable benchmark score and is capable of multitasking and light gaming. Popular games like Asphalt and PUBG Mobile work easily on medium settings, but unless settings are kept low, the device has trouble with graphically demanding games like Genshin Impact. The phone contains 8 gigs of RAM, which can be practically increased to 24 gigs, but this improvement has little real-world application. With 256 gigabytes of internal memory, storage is enough. Another highlight is the battery life, which has a 5,000 mAh capacity that provides dependable all-day use. 18-watt fast charging is supported, which is a modest but respectable pace for this price range. Blackview's proprietary DocOS interface has been incorporated into the Shark 9 software, which is based on Android 14. Features like focus mode, game mode, and call recording are helpful additions to this intuitive shell. By avoiding needless bloat, it guarantees fluid performance. The camera system is functional but unremarkable. The front-facing camera has 8 megapixels for selfies, and the primary camera has a 50-megapixel Samsung sensor that can record 4K video at 30 frames per second. The image quality is mediocre. It's good for casual photos, but won't likely wow photo experts. Stereo speakers, a dependable side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and NFC for Google Pay support are extra goodies. Along with a wide range of networking choices, the phone has good GPS performance. The Blackview Shark 9, which retails for about $98 during deals, is an attractive option for those on a tight budget. Owners of the Black Shark 8 or comparable models, however, might not see many reasons to upgrade. Even while it doesn't exactly replicate the same enchantment, the Blackview Shark 9 ultimately carries on the tradition of its predecessor as a reasonably priced and useful gadget. Are you going to pick it up? Leave a comment with your ideas. Have a nice day and God bless you.